All right, I got a special guest. Tell them your name.
Piper.
What do we call you?
Monkey.
Monkey. So what are we gonna do today? What are we building?
Motorcycle.
A motorcycle. Are you gonna ride it? Okay. So we're gonna do the handlebars, and then we're gonna do the pegs, and then put the stem on, and then Monkey's gonna do the first test ride. You okay with that? All right. So I'm gonna get started, get working, and then we'll come back. Tell them we'll come back, and you're gonna ride. You're gonna wear your protective gear. Yeah. So she's what are you gonna wear? Your helmet. She's gonna wear a helmet, and we're gonna get going. So let's get this thing built. Here's your old stem. Here's your new stem. It's got a little rise. That way, for a bigger dude like me, it will be good. But I primarily got the bike for my daughter because she doesn't like how loud her 110 is. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up liking this thing. So we're probably gonna get another one. But we'll start with the stem. We'll do the bars, and then we'll come back. We got a mess. We're gonna clean it up. What do you think, Monkey? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready to go? Is it a little tall or what? All right, we're gonna get the battery checked and then we're gonna go for a rip. You ready? Why are we going to high school? So do the first ride on the high school? All right, so what do you think? You think you're gonna like the SurRon or the 110 better?
Maybe that one and that one.
Oh, you're gonna like them both, but which one do you think you'll like more?
That one, because that one has a higher seat.
Oh, because that one's taller? Okay. All right, let's get these things strapped in. Ready? Forgot we're doing YouTube activities for the kids, so we got our safety harness on. Monkey, you ready to go or what? I'm ready to ride this thing. We got some kicker ramps at the house. You know, maybe next video we'll be jumping the kicker, or maybe I'll jump it for an ender. I don't know, but we're gonna go check it out at the high school. Excited? You ready? All right, 1, 2, 3.
So let's see. Right. Go!
Alright, you ready for your first ride? Alright, let's get your helmet, baby. Alright, Piper's first ride, you ready? Alright, get a little gas. Get it. Good job. Get a little gas. Steer. Good job, dude. All right, it's a little windy. We're finishing up our ride here at the high school. So, first impressions of the bike. I like it. I think it's cool. I think Monkey likes it. It's just a little bit too big for her.
anyways, we're gonna let her end this video, and then if doesn't matter if you want us to do it again, we're gonna do it again. So next time we'll be jumping it, maybe jump it for a little short on YouTube, but we're gonna let her finish it out. And thanks for watching. So stay tuned. She'll be doing car stuff. We'll do some build stuff for the car, trucks, Escalade, all that good stuff. Let them know, baby, what to do. Tell them what to do.
Smash that like button and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, we got Mom here. We're trying to end the video, and she's over here blowing the train horn. She's echoing. Did you have fun? Sweet. Take two.
Like, subscribe, and smash, and comment down below which one you prefer.
Smash that. She's trying to say smash that subscribe button, guys. I appreciate you watching. She appreciate you watching. We can't talk right now. We're so excited. Y'all have a good night and peace.